Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunity. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, September 27, 2017. A lot of news. The news about Metro and Pharmacie Jean Coutu just came out. I don't know the detail about it yet. The stock has resumed trading, and we have we have some volatility on the market. Yes, Maxim.
Cash and stock offer at 25.50.
Cash
and stock offer.
Cash and stock offer at 25.50. 24.50. Okay, let's go there. Okay. 24.50. So who's buying who?
Metro.
Metro's buying Jean Coutu at 24.50. So that's why the stock resumed at that price. Okay. So we'll probably see Pharmacie Jean Coutu store into Metro Grocery soon. Maybe. Okay. We have a few news here at the beginning. And still going very, very bad for Bombardier because Airbus and Boeing are doing everything to get rid of it. But first, in the United States, Boeing has won one of the battle because the Department of Commerce, the U.S. Commerce, has decided to impose a compensatory right to Bombardier. So Bombardier will have to pay a special right of 220% on every plane he would like to sell in the United States. So forget about it. But they said until, what did they say here somewhere? Until he sold, he has delivered his first plane to Delta Airlines and something like that. So, you know, big battle. They're trying to get rid of him. And besides that, well, we have a few other news here about Micron. That is 184 to 282, and Cintas 131 to 145. So both stocks are jumping on it. And other Tesla is going to switch NVIDIA to Intel for the dashboard computer, and it does not really affect NVIDIA and Intel neither, so that's funny. And CareDex, they will reimburse something, I don't know, so that's why the stock goes down, because the money goes out, and this is it about all of the news. Let's see what we got. Nasdaq rose this morning, came down, and now it's going sideways. Doesn't even know where to go. While the Dow Jones and the SPY rose quite a bit at the opening, and lost everything, and it's still going down. Same scenario for the SPY, and it's the TSX that is strong this morning after a few bullish cycle here. And what happened is just some sector goes up while the other one goes down, you know. So look, the crude oil now, it has been positive and negative, is now zero. The mining has been positive and negative. It's now almost zero. There's a chance for a bounce back here at the double resistance. You can check that. But when you look at the mining index and each chart in the mining, it just doesn't make sense. And the only thing I saw on the mining, look, Major Drilling Group goes down very, very fast, 3.7% today. But what I wanted to show you was that one only stock that moves within the mining index. It's a New York stock, Materion Corporation. Look at the stock, has only 30,000 shares traded. But it's the only stock that does something in the mining. It's breaking out, but I think the volume is way too low. This stock is not really interesting. It'll probably do nothing after. So consumer discretionary is still going sideways despite the fact that it goes up. It's a bounce back for telecom, not interesting. The banks have showed the best movement today because most of the banks, like Canadian Western Bank, is breaking out. Royal Bank, Bank of Montreal, Nova Scotia is about to do it. TD Bank did it. National Bank did it. Laurentian Bank did it, and many insurance company like Industrial Insurance, Sun Life. It's not clear. It's a new breakout because they were on the move before. So the financial services sector is very strong. And now it's the industrial sector is breaking out, but thanks to Canadian National Railways, which is the stock that provokes this movement on the sector more than CP. And Transcontinental is breaking through its support, the sell signal there. Lavalin is initiating a new bullish cycle on very low volume though. And Bombardier has been very volatile this morning because of all that news and all of those problems that he had. So the stock failed right here at 196 this morning, came back, pulled back a little bit, but the bad thing is returning down right now. So avoid Bombardier right now. It's a way too risky. And beside it, not much happening. Little signal here on New Flyer, not very, very interesting. And CAE is doing well, but it's not the beginning of the cycle. And beside it, ATS Automation Tooling is reversing its downtrend for a new uptrend. And but beside that, there are exceptions. So definitely today, if we have signals somewhere, it's among the banks. And you see the consumer staple was going down, but now Metro is breaking out since the news, and also Jean Coutu went up. So what does let me see that in 1 minute, see what we got. Okay, so since Metro resumed, it stopped there, reopened here, it went up. So and Alimentation Couche-Tard was going down this morning. He pulled back quite a bit, and now he's returning also on the downside. So we're going to a little break in a few seconds. Is the question bar is open. I only have one question here that is entered.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Patrick here. Bought 1,000 ALO New York at 408, sold half 471, keep or sell balance. So you bought there or there somewhere. You took a profit at 471. That's a good thing. Actually, you should have got out yesterday. But today, let's see the 15-minute chart just to see if we don't see something else in here. The stock is definitely coming down to 420, and you paid 408. So I don't really know exactly what to do. You see, we have a couple of signals here a little bit higher, and the thing is, if you wait until it goes to 420, okay. 420 is right here, just underneath here, okay? So it's 420. And then if it doesn't come back after 420, if it breaks through the support while you paid 408, you're gonna be to 408 in no time because it's there. So you only have that left. So it's mostly up to you. You've done it well right now, and I would be confused too to know what to do. You either go out right there because the stock is not positive anyway, so maybe you should just go out of that and try to find another place because right now it's indicating that it's going down, and if it keeps going down, sooner or later you're going to have a loss on the second parts, and then I will make you losing some profit you had on the first parts. So that's what I think I would do for you. Okay, what else? Nothing's moving anymore in this market. Okay, everyone is stuck on metro stuff. Okay, let's see the cannabis stock, what they do. You know, we have a little movement right here on marijuana ETF, and but I'm wondering who is doing this, because I don't see many stock that goes up right now. Just Weed MD there. Okay, so I really wonder where that comes from. But one thing is certain is where are the next buy signal. Okay, so here $2.94 for Aurora, $3 for Organigram, Hydrotherapy 180, Aphria around 699, 695, Canopy right here above this resistance 1085, and that's about it. And maybe Chronos here too, a little bit higher, 270. Dennis is asking, is AC good for day trading? I think, please, AC. Well, we had it this morning in the top 5. We have it now too. I think it's okay. You know, there has been quite a few nice movements throughout the day, but now be careful at this moment right now, because you have a triple resistance from here this morning. Okay, so you have pretty good chance that the stock will stop under 26,650. And then once he has made a pause at this level, under 2660, something like this, then when it breaks 2650, I said 60, but when it breaks 2650 and reach 2660, that could be your next intraday buy there. Okay, so I made this, and let's see a couple of usual stock. The one I had a question this morning about it here. Okay, yeah, we have a PLY this morning. Where is it? Prometic. Still not the condition yet, okay? Because look, the downtrend is clear. So you have to wait at 180 to 182 before you buy that. In the mining, the most the stocks that were moving before, like CAT, I have so many questions on CAT. Now it's really more sideways, waiting for the next breakout. That's going to be right here at $1. And there was this other one. Can't find it right now. Okay, so let's go something else. And now look at the market. Trump is going to talk this afternoon. He'll be talking about pleasing to everybody because he's going to talk about the fiscal code to be simple. He will reduce the tax for the medium class people. He will reduce the income tax for enterprises, and he wants to attract also investment from foreign investment. He wants to attract foreign investment anyway. So, and okay, the TSX is pushing right now. Who is doing that? I need my binoculars. I see the TSX doing a move here, but I'm trying to see who's doing that. I can't even see the quote. Okay, I got a small quote here on the financials, another one here on the consumer discretionary. So it's a little bit of everything, I believe. And we have a little move also on the crude oil that brings his head above the water, and that's about it. So I don't think we should get crazy about it. But the Dow Jones that became negative a few minutes ago is beginning a comeback. We don't know if it's going to go right up to there. But I think the market doesn't know where to go right now, and they're just playing with the stocks, and the robots are playing with the market. I think they're waiting to see what Donald Trump, very, very often Donald Trump has a surprises for us. So it may be what worries the people a little bit, because the U.S. market was very strong this morning and came back like nothing happened. So this is it for the day, folks. I hope it's going to be more exciting this afternoon. So I'll let you go. Thank you very much for attending.